Are you planning to design, decorate, or remodel your home space? Or are you just bored with the same old carpet or piece of furniture? Welcome to episode 5 Renovation Matters. That's nice, but does it match the flooring? Go to the drawing room and place it in its place on the carpet and get a real view. Now, if there are two chandeliers, I want to compare two chandeliers and make a decision which one to buy. This mobile phone has become such an integral part of our daily lives, isn't it? Now, just as we need food for our soul, our mobile also needs energy. So let's just unpack this a little bit very quickly. So welcome to episode 3, Battery Life Matters. Oh my god, what's happening? Who's eating up all the gujiyas?
A review of an app that sets up a CCTV camera without a CCTV camera with just 2 phones.
Now, let me go down to another location. I'll move to the park and then monitor what's happening in my house. To a kitty party where women get together, and in that party, over and above the snacks and chit chat, every woman, for example, has contributed 1,000 rupees. And if there are 12 women, so there's a total of 12,000 rupees. There will be a lucky draw. Each time a new person gets to keep that 12,000 rupees. Blockchain works almost in the same manner. There is an open public ledger which works on distributed consensus. To define a blockchain, there are 4 Ds. It is a digital, distributed ledger of transactions, decentralized, database. A peer-to-peer network is a distributed network where there is no single client or a server. So every node in a peer-to-peer network is equally important. After downloading Yummly, we find ourselves developing healthy eating habits, and that too in a fun way with a customized meal plan. So let's go ahead and do that. So let me scan what I already have in the house using the app Yummly. This lockdown gave momentum to online learning. Now history speaks about the need for human connection and this beautiful teacher-student relationship. Microsoft Teams is one such app. Let's review the top ways of using Microsoft Teams to its fullest potential. Welcome to episode 6, Online Learning. As promised, my 20th episode had to be special. So this episode is focused on fitness. Now here's the good news. This app actually understands your pain, frustration, and busy schedule. Yet you want to stay fit. There's limited time, you want results, and you want it to continue. Let's look into this app. Today, I wish to pray for everyone's good health, safety, and positivity during these uncertain times. We must make best of our situation in every possible way. This unique app that I'm introducing today caters to the most important segment of our society, the elderly people, and keeps them engaged in unique, fun ways. Welcome to the 30th episode of my channel, Technology Traveler, Staying Healthy in Lockdown.